Okay, so today we are going to talk about embedding a link to another web page in our Padlet post. So you can see here, if you've watched the other videos, I'm using the same page. So we still have the Lord of the Flies characters. So say this was filled up and we had all of our characters here. So Piggy, remember I'm only using that one as our example. We embedded our picture. Here's the one with the video. So at the end of that, after the students filling in things or me having that all on there, what I do with them now, and that's why I added this up here, is having them do something a little bit fun. So they're going to take a quiz that is going to tell them which character they are most like from the Lord of the Flies. So you can see there I already added in my text. It says below is a link to a character quiz. You'll be answering a series of questions that will tell you which character you are most like and why. Upon completing this, you will then post your results and a 3-sentence response explaining whether you agree or disagree with your results. So obviously our link is not there because that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So as always, we click our box, go to our edit tool. Okay. So I just want to space down a little bit so that way the link isn't really close to our paragraph. So this is the button we've been clicking before, which was our Google search. So now we're going to click on the link. So the next one over. Obviously we don't have our URL first, so I'm just going to leave that up there and go to the regular Google search engine. So if we type in there, which Lord of the Flies character are you? It is the first one there. So if I click on that, it'll bring me to the web page. So you can see there it has title, has the picture, has all of your questions. So if you scroll down, you can see there's 11 of them. When you would actually start filling them out, right in this area right here would be the submit button, and right below that would be their results. So we want to copy our link, go back to where we want to enter our URL, paste that in there, and click save. So you can see there, sometimes it'll take a little bit of time, other times it will be really, really fast like it was just now. So you can see there it's neat because it gives a preview picture there, which is from our website, and then all the students would need to do would be to click on that. You can see it brings them right to the website. They would take their quiz, and then when they're done, all they have to go back and do is click on the plus sign and add in their post with their discussion of whether or not they agree with their results.